In case you were wondering, one 14.75 ounce can of sweet corn fits exactly into an ice cube tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14 little cubes to go into a plastic baggie to be added into soup or whatever. Now you know. Pop it into the freezer, wait till it's frozen. Once they're frozen, set them out on the countertop for a few minutes. Let them thaw out a little bit so they'll be easy to pop out. Give it a pop. Give it a drop. Give it a zip. And flip. And now you have corn if you want to add it to whatever. It is that easy. Do leave in my freezer for the next time.